never got a bit of recognition in her life. Just a minute, please. And she does more phone calling and more ringing up for us. Rita meows to go today, yeah. And Luke was going to sing the Monto for you.
We'd like to dedicate this to the Queen. She's just had a very bad rise in her wages a couple of days ago. Poor dear. Well, if you've got a wing, oh, take her up to Ringo, where the waxy sing, oh, all the day. If you've had your fill of porter and you can't go any further, give your man the other, thank to the K, and take her up to Monto, 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 take her up to Monto, Langaroo, to you. The dirty Duke at Gloucester, the dirty old impostor, took his mutton, lost her up the Four-Eagle End. He first put on his bowler, then he buttoned up his trousers, and he whistled for a growler, and he says, my man, take me up to Monto, 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 take me up to Monto, Langaroo, to you. You see, in the double of Fusiliers, the dirty old bamboozlers, they went to get the childer. 1, 2, 3. Marching from the Linen Hall, there's one for every cannonball, and Vicky's going to send you on o'er the sea. But first go up to Monto, Monto, Monto. First go up to Monto, Langaroo, to you. When the Tsar of Russia and the King of Prussia landed in the Phoenix in a big balloon, they asked the Polish band to play the wedding in the green, but the buggers in the depot didn't know that tune. So they both went up to Monto, 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 both went up to Monto, Langaroo, to you. Queen, she came to calling us, she wanted to see all of us. Glad she didn't fall on us, she's 18 stone. Mr. me Lord Master, she is all you've got to show to me. Why no, man, there's some more to say. Poke my horn, and he took her